So if you want to see your Instagram account password, in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. So let's get started. So if I go to my Instagram and go to settings, here you can see in the privacy we don't have any option to see the password. And if I go to security right there, you can see still we don't have any option to see the password. Now, in order to see the password, all you need to do, you're gonna go to your Gmail and then click on your profile in the top right and click on Google account. Once your Google account will be open, now you're gonna go to security right there, and here you will find password manager. Now in the search bar you have to search for Instagram. Now go to Instagram, and from here you can easily see your Instagram account's password. So this is how you can see Instagram account's password. So all for today's video guys. Thank you so much for watching.